I'm Wolver, and I'm about to show you how to launch a token that does $10,000 a day from your couch with zero code. No theories, no courses, just execution. You know the loop. Wake up, check charts, watch red, chase random projects, get dumped, repeat. That cycle ends now. I'm not teaching you to find pumps. I'm teaching you to be the pump. Telegram link in description. One message. I hand you the contract that prints $10,000 days. You keep every dollar. Or stick with me 6 minutes. I show you exactly how to build it yourself. Step 1. Enter the war room. Open browser, type remix.ethereum.org. Same environment Uniswap was built on. Looks intimidating? Good. Means it's powerful. Most people see this and quit. That's why my Telegram exists. I do this for a living. Left side, File Explorer. Create new file. Blank page. This is where financial instruments are born. Type vanguard.sol, hit enter. .sol means solidity. You just stopped being a tourist. You're a builder. Telegram link in description. Need the contract pre-built? Hit me there. Step 2. The alchemy. Find the S icon, Solidity compiler. Top drop-down, compiler version. One mismatch equals failed transaction equals burned gas equals wasted money. This mistake alone costs beginners thousands. Set it to 0.8.2. Click. Compile vanguard.sol. Green checkmark. Your idea just became bytecode. Network sees you. Telegram link in description. Want me to handle the compile? Hit me there. Step 3. Point of no return. Click. Deploy and run transactions. Environment, injected provider. MetaMask pops up. Connect your wallet. You're 5 steps in. Wallet linked. You're armed. 4 inputs. Token DNA. Name, your empire's title. Make it land. Symbol, VNG dollar. EPX. 3 letters. Aggressive, sticky. Supply, your central bank. 1 million, 1 billion. You control scarcity. Decimals, 18. Always 18. Non-negotiable. 1 wrong number and your token launches crippled. Telegram link in description. Want me to set the parameters? Hit me there. Critical warning. Blockchain is a glass box with no delete key. 1 exploit, 1 forgotten lock. Your liquidity walks. This is why I exist. I sell bulletproof contracts, pre-audited, live tested. Solo builders die here, every time. You're not auditing your own code. You're gambling. Telegram link in description. Don't gamble. Hit me there. Step 4. Launch. Wallet funded. Compiler locked. Contract selected. Gas fee ready? You need fuel. All green. Deploy. MetaMask pop. Gas estimate. Confirm. This is the filter. Consumers hesitate. Owners execute. Click. Hash appears. 20 seconds. Your token is live. Permanent. Public. Unruggable. You're no longer chasing alpha. You are alpha. Telegram link in description. Want me to deploy for you? Hit me there. Step 5. Claim. Deployed contracts. Copy that 0x string. MetaMask. Import tokens. Paste. Add. Confirm. Look at your wallet. Your ticker. Your supply. Your name. You built wealth from zero code. Telegram link in description. Contract live but need help? Hit me there. What comes next? Deployment done. Token live. Now what? Most people stop here. They think the job is finished. Wrong. A live contract with no liquidity is just a screenshot. A token with no community is a flex with no follow-through. A project with no strategy is a parked car going nowhere. Deployment is just the warm-up. The real game starts now. Liquidity is everything. You need a pool. You need people to trade. Without liquidity, your token price is 0. Always 0. Uniswap, PancakeSwap. You choose. You provide the initial pair. You set the ratio. This determines your opening price. Do the math right. Too high, no one buys. Too low, you get dumped on. Get it wrong, and bots drain you in seconds. Telegram link in description. Need liquidity strategy? Hit me there. Bots are coming for you. Launch time hits. First 10 blocks? Pure chaos. MEV bots, sniper bots, sandwich bots. They watch the mempool. They see your transaction pending. They buy before you. They sell faster than humans. Your community never gets a chance. This kills projects daily. You need anti-bot mechanics. You need launch protection. Without it, you're feeding the machines. Telegram link in description. Want bot protection? Hit me there. Narrative wins. Tech is dead. Utility is dead. Narrative moves price. What does your token stand for? What story do people tell themselves when they buy? Memes work, tribes work, belief works. Facts don't move markets. Feelings do. Your ticker, your name, your vibe. 6 minutes ago, you were refreshing Twitter, waiting on random devs to drop, hoping for a quick flip. Now you own the contract address. Now you are the dev. Now you control the narrative. The tools are free. The knowledge is yours. Execution is optional. Copy what I showed you. Build it yourself. Or let me run it for you. Telegram is open. One message. Full system. Your name on the contract. Gates open. Engines hot. Build. Or watch me build for you. Link below. Go. Wolver out.